disappointing going all the way back to the Cape tomorrow, only having to fly back up again then on Friday. So he's settling in for a weekend. Hotto left. Other clubs can do a pre-contract with you, so it was a bit of an open secret at Stellenbosch that he was on his way. He's done well since arriving at Apollos. He always likes to find a position to fire off a shot. Mbokazi, lovely pass to Mofokeng. Early ball in for Apollos. This is excellent football. Now, did that strike the upright or the stanchion at the back?
I think it hit the upright.
Excellent start from the Buccaneers.
Started from Mbokazi. Brilliant pass to pick out. I think it was Apollos or Mofokeng there wide. One touch, brilliant vision. An excellent shot there from Apollos. Unfortunately, just couldn't get it in the near post.
Fans will be hoping for, and the coach, of course, desperate to get a positive result. Finish under fire.
And as you mentioned, a solid second half performance from Orlando Pirates, and you can see they're picking up where they left off.
That was an excellent breakaway goal they scored against Sekukune. Pace to him. Last season when they won by 1-0 Stellenbosch.
Immediate right back, so see what Pirates will cook up.
"20 minutes gone here at Orlando Stadium. The home side lead by 1-0 in search of their first win in this new Betway Premiership season, and a big boost ahead. Mbokazi with a second pass of some class that we've seen in this game. Only a chance when the ball struck the upright from Apollos. He set that up with a searching pass, and there's another one into Mahopa, maybe a bit strong, or the first touch was a little bit heavy. Sebelebele. Excellent pass from Mbokazi. Crowd applaud that, and rightly so too. This is falls here for Mbule, puts it over the top.
That triangle working out beautifully. Mbokazi to Mofokeng, Mofokeng to Mbule with a brilliant first touch to set himself up. Just couldn't direct that on target.
Mbokazi. A little slow. Kwali joined from Cape Town Spurs. Mbokazi. Bata, Amazulu and Marumo Gallants, who remember have also made a 100% start in the season, like Kaiser Chiefs and Sekukune United now, and Mexico.
Take me with you. I'll fit in your bag, won't you?
Sure, someone will send you there. Now Mujela will chase this, but stretch it off. We didn't see any incident. But he's staying with the doctors down in the change room. For the moment, we've been making an effort to try and give you an answer, but unfortunately cannot do so just yet.
If we're going to supply him, let's support him.
It's unfair to call them a second string, but not too many regulars in that lineup tonight, so they'll be well rested for Saturday's match at Attridgeville. Here's Mofokeng, bit of space.
I must say my favourite boot was also very light. The first Mercurial Nikes leaves the foot so exposed. So a bit of time is needed for the coach to find his...
Some pressure from Jabbar. Kazi, really, of course, a very exciting young player on this left-hand side. Push up, he won't play as
that attack, very central point of reference, a jack in the box, if you will. Very similar attributes to Radio Pane. Hold it up nicely with the back to goal.
This might fall for Jabbar. The cover from Mbokazi, cool and calm, just taking no chance. Which is a pity, of course, because the Pirates would be warmly welcomed in Lesotho. Driven towards the back post, he has Mbokazi with Mofokeng. He wants the return pass. Skipper leading from the front. De Jong all the way back to help out with defence. Sundown's coming up game number 5. It's been a tough start for them. Here's De Jong. So well to hold